Good. Well, happy Thanksgiving to you. Are you going to get out of here early today or going to be in all day?
I relieved my night guy about 3. Hopefully I can get about 3. I got a 2-hour drive back to towards Kingsbrook too.
Bet. Appreciate it. You ready to talk me over?
Yes, here we go. Foreman Gary, gang RP235, using 1 Form B truck bulletin 11/27/2025. Form B number 74577, line 1, main track, Austin Sub from 178.75 to 179.50 from 0 until 2359. AMTK 57 North may pass my red flag at 179.50 without stopping, and may proceed to those limits at maximum authorized speed. Sound the bells and whistles when approaching and passing men and equipment. All men and equipment in the clear. Over.
Alright, Foreman Gary, gang RP235, issuing track bulletin Form B number 74577, effective on today's date, 11/27/2025, line item number 1 on the main track on the Austin subdivision, limits milepost 179.50, milepost 178.75, from 0 hours to 2359. Understand men and equipment on the clear. Foreman Gary, gang RP235, gives AMTK 57 North permission into your limits at milepost 179.50 without stopping at your red board and proceed to your limits at maximum authorized speed unless otherwise restricted. Sound and bells and whistles for men and equipment. Is that all correct? Over.
AMTK 57 North, that's a good read when you come into. Have a safe day. Foreman Gary out.
Alright, mate, I'm getting bumped off this job on Monday, so Monday will be my last day over here on a consistent basis. I'll be on the extra board and I'll be down here on occasion, probably over the Christmas holiday, but won't be talking to me every day anymore. Over.
Oh, copy that. I hope they get you something nice.
Oh yeah, they're gonna give me something.
Have a good day. Foreman Gary out.
Check out.
This is Form B, maximum authorized speed without stopping at the red board. Bells and whistles by men and equipment. Thank you, sir. Check out.
Alright.